This lesson will be presented to you more as a challenge than as a step-by-step. We've already created a quiz in our first tutorial during class, and this one is based exactly on the same techniques and the same programming logic as well as syntax that we applied in our first quiz. The difference with this one is that we've added an extra question, so I've got 3 questions now. 1, 2, 3. And my results page is a little bit different as well. It's a little more advanced, if you will. I not only am keeping score of the total correct answers, but I'm also addressing each answer and letting the user know whether they got it correct or incorrect. In this case, it will say correct when it's right and wrong when it's wrong. And I still have a reset button as well. So let me just demonstrate this now with a test movie. And you can see here, again, I've got my 3 answers that I can choose from. When did Canada become a country? The real answer is 1867. What Beatle died in 1980? The actual answer to that is John Lennon. And what is Eminem's real name? The correct answer to that is number 2, Marshall Mathers. So you can see here that I've got my total score, 3 out of 3, and my answers are indicated whether they are correct or not. So let me go back and try a different combination now. So if I click reset, it starts it all over. I'll do 3 wrong answers. When did Canada become a country? 1967. George Harrison and Johnny Detroit. So 3 wrong answers, and you can see here wrong, wrong, wrong. So let me get a mixture now of right and wrong answers. So when did Canada become a country? 1867. What Beatle died in 1980? Paul McCartney, which is wrong. What is Eminem's real name? Marshall Mathers, which is correct. So you can see correct, wrong, correct. And my total score. So I'd like you to actually figure out how this was done. Again, it's using the exact same logic, same programming techniques as we did in our first lesson. Now we'll give you a clue. These text boxes here are dynamic, so they will need to have instance names, and then you're going to need to populate the text of each of those dynamic text boxes based on your Q1 answer variable, your Q2 answer variable, and another one that I've added for the third question, Q3 answer variable. Okay, so those are the clues that I will give you, and now I want you to try this on your own and solve this problem as if a client came to you and said, I'd like one of these, please. Okay, so that will be your second assignment for today's class, and I'll close this now.